Hi, this is Mrs. Gatto. I wanted to share with you today a few ways to access the websites and programs that we use at school. So the first thing you would do is go to the Winston-Salem Forsyth County homepage. You're going to come to the top in the blue and click on Students. When you get to this page, there's a lot of resources here that I'm going to show you how to get to. The first one is your Ncedcloud. You will click on Home-Based Apps. I am going to send you your QR code through ClassDojo. You will click on the red button here that says Scan Student QR Code. You will just hold your phone up and it will come up to this page here. I will be getting in touch with you very shortly because if your child is currently at home, you will need to complete an assessment, which I will show you in a minute. But if you click here on Canvas, you will see all of my lesson plans. Let's see, we must click agree, so make sure you do this step. And then you're going to see some notifications here. You can go ahead and just X those off, read them, decline them. You're going to come here where it says courses. You're going to come where you see my name, Homeroom Gatto. You're going to click there. You're going to see my welcome. You're going to scroll down just a little bit right underneath my welcome, and those are next week's lesson plans. If you scroll here on the side, you will be able to see all of my past lesson plans. You'll just scroll down. The date is at the top, so you will be able to see which page we're on. So this page here would be September 6th. These are just the standards, the unit that we're working on, so that you'll be able to keep up with what we are doing in class. So when you want to go back, you'll go back to Rapid Identity and you will click here on McGraw-Hill. This will take you to our reading program. So when you see on my lesson plans that we're working on a particular story or sight words, you will just click here on the kindergarten page. You'll click on the first one. And then right here, you'll be able to go right to the book that we're reading, the nursery rhyme, the big book, the take-home story. You'll be able to see the words that we're working on. And if there's any assignments that I want you to complete, it will be here in your to-do list. That is on the Wonder site. The other site that I'll be asking you to go to is this one here. It's called Amplify. That is where we do some of our children's assessments for reading. So when this comes up, it will take you here. You'll click kindergarten, select the grade level, and then you'll start here. So when I ask you to complete this, there's one assignment that every student needs to complete on their own. You will just click here and it'll take you right to the assessment. All of that was here when you first started under your Ncedcloud. I'm going to send you a second video showing you how to access iReady on Clever.